Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make groundnut brittle. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need 2 cups of raw groundnuts, 1 cup of sugar, and 1/2 cup of water. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of butter and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Before you start cooking, lightly grease a baking sheet with butter or oil and set it aside. This preparation is key for a smooth process. Now, let's create the perfect sugar syrup base. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 1 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of water. Stir this mixture over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let it boil. Continue cooking until the syrup reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. The next step requires quick action. Once your syrup hits 300 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately stir in the 2 cups of groundnuts and 2 tablespoons of butter. Remove the pan from the heat right away. Then, quickly add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and stir vigorously until it's fully incorporated. Pour this hot mixture onto your greased baking sheet and spread it out as thinly as possible. Finally, the waiting game begins. Let your groundnut brittle cool completely on the baking sheet. This usually takes at least 30 minutes or until it's firm to the touch. Once it's fully hardened, you can easily break it into smaller, delicious pieces. It's perfect for snacking or sharing. Also, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.